So today we're gonna be doing an oil change on this Honda Civic.
Already?
I messed up.
This is the right one.
Oh, it's not going.
Peep how he's turning the wrench the wrong way.
It's not gonna come off.
You're turning it the wrong way.
No.
Put some WD photo.
I think it's loose enough you can use your fingers, huh? Okay. But hold pressure against it once you start getting close, and then yank it away.
Respect.
Dang, that burned my finger.
I just hit my head.
Bro, the ratchet is hot. It's like getting hot.
One's conducting this.
Just do it with your fingers. Keep pressure on it so the oil doesn't spew out. No, keep pressure on it. Is it hot? Ask for some gloves.
Do you want me to do it?
You got it on my shoe. And you want to pull it off
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how to use
so
this.
the oil drains out of it too.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how to use this. When it's dripping, you wanna put the bolt back in it.
Find the cup with a socket that fits it like that, and you can put the wrench on it and get it down here and just wrench it off if that won't fit. Okay. We'll show that too. It might be that one or this one. Find the one that fits.
Where do we put the ratchet at?
Now, when you snug that bolt down, Paul, when you tighten that drain bolt, once it gets a little snug, just a nice little
So
snug. That's it. Don't kill
we're
it.
getting a special
The
tool
drain
to
bolt
help
needs
us
to
take
go.
off the oil
Just
filter
nice
now.
little snug to it. It's all it takes.
You might want an extension. Or just do it that way. Okay.
Well, where did you put the ratchet with the...
So it's coming off.
You yell it.
I'm getting no oil on it now. Yo! You're getting oil all over me, bro.
It's not coming off.
Oh!
Was it hot?
Yes, we're filling it up.
Make sure it don't spill. So.
Maybe a little more there.
And take some from the center, and you just rub it around the outside on that seal. Good stuff. Good fingers.
Yep. Just rub it on there.
And you walk right back over to where the oil filter was. And you want to get it. You want to get it hand tight. Oh.
Still. Okay.
Okay.
Then we gotta clean up the thing or what?
Stop recording.
Yeah. And then you can do this and get like a quarter turn off of it.
That's it. That's it.
Okay, yeah.
And then come over here.
Go on this side. Put it down.
All right. So now that we got the car back on the ground, we're gonna pop the hood. You know, and you're gonna find where the oil goes in.
Why is your motor so freaking hot, bro?
What is this again?
Drop it every day.
I don't even honestly know which brand. Why is this so hard to take off?
And when you find where the oil goes in, you're gonna get the cap off.
That in the video. There's what we're gonna be putting in.
SAE 5W-20.
That's what
Good stuff.
Oh, it's hot.
That's the oil.
It's really hot.
And you want to get yourself a big black funnel.
Where's the oil?
No,
How much was it?
for extra. Oh no.
Okay, well this is just laying here.
Where the hell's
This
it?
would have spilled.
Put that in there.
Yeah. How my ladies like it.
Do you know how much we're coming in?
Yeah, all of it.
All of that goes in
That's how
there?
his ladies like it. Just like that.
So sweet.
Mmm.
Oh, take it easy.
Going as fast as I can.
.8 liter, something, this and that.
So you want to wipe it off. Get that old oil off. You want to put it back in there. Okay, I can't put it back in there. Okay. Make it. Put it all the way in there like that. Take it back out. Check it. You want to check it? It's all the way full because you gotta get right here or something like that. Yeah. Wait. Yep, this food got it. Got it. Stop! You're messing me up.
Okay, so we need to go on Pro Demand to go look up how to reset his the oil life, whatever.
I mean, it's already reset, sir.
And then we reset it already, so